you fine folks. Welcome back to my channel. My name is America of America's Abstracts. If you're new here, hi. I like to create fluid art as a way to cope with my various chronic illnesses, also known as painting through the pain. Fluid art has just been the best thing to happen to me when I started to get diagnosed with the multiple chronic illnesses that I have. So I am eternally grateful that I have been able to find a healthy and creative outlet for it. And you guys get cool videos because of it. Well folks, today's video is going to be the start of my Precious Gems series, and I wanted to start off with my absolute favorite gemstone, and that is Opal. This one's kind of subtle. And then there's my other Opal. I wear Opal daily. It's been my favorite gem for a while now. I love it. So I ended up doing some coasters and an adorable little butterfly. So sit back, relax, and enjoy these creation videos. If you like seeing my creation videos and want to see more content of mine, I highly suggest that you hit that subscribe button as well as hit the bell for notifications. And of course, liking the video, all your comments, everything helps me to be able to better gauge what you as my audience would like to see. I do have a sale going on my website still. It is 20% off all of my 2020 wall hangings. Be sure to check that out. My website is americasabstracts.com. I do have other stuff on there for sale as well. I have pop sockets, I have jewelry, whether it be earrings or necklaces. I do have bookmarks. I have, gosh, just a whole bunch of stuff on there. Just check it out. Oh, I think I have a trivet left still on there before I need to make new ones. And yeah, just check it out. See if you guys, something catches your eye. I still am on the lookout on trying to just get an overall pricing for different overseas shipments. So if you, again, live outside the United States and would like to purchase some of my art, definitely send me an email. I have no problem trying to figure out shipping for you. Comment down below what precious gem you would like to see me do an inspired palette from. I have a few in mind personally, but I want to make sure if I'm missing one that would look really cool, that if you guys can think of it, let me know. Comment down below what your favorite gemstone is as well. Let's get to those paintings.
rocks mics and rocks them well, yo? Who rocks mics till they up and swell, son? Who rocks mics till they bust and swell, Joe? Yo, 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 yo. One time for this rhyme, let me do it, do it. Listening to the beats and the funky, funky rhymes. What? Say what? Say what? Watch them chop it up and make you feel the groove. Watch them chop it up and make you feel so rude. Watch them make you break it down, the music will just ooze. And all around town, people trying to get down. People in the middle of the alley wanna bump, and everybody who just paid the people snuck up in the trunk.
Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed those Opal Inspired coasters and the butterfly that I did. And I hope you guys have a good start to your week. Happy Sunday. Be nice to one another, and as always, my fellow chronic illness people, paint through the pain. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!